Parts of the house. Parts of the house.
kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. What is your mom doing in the kitchen? What is your mom doing in the kitchen? She's cooking food. She's cooking food. Living room, living room, living room. What is your father doing in the living room? What is your father doing in the living room? He's watching TV. He's watching TV. Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. What is your sister doing in the bedroom? What is your sister doing in the bedroom? She's studying. She's studying. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. What is your brother doing in the bathroom? What is your brother doing in the bathroom? He's taking a shower. He's taking a shower.
Dining room. Dining room. Dining room. What are you doing in the dining room? What are you doing in the dining room? We're eating lunch. We're eating lunch.
Hall, hall, hall. What are you doing in the hall? What are you doing in the hall? I'm putting my shoes. I'm putting my shoes. Garden, garden, garden. What are they doing in the garden? What are they doing in the garden? They're playing. They're playing.
Garage. 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 What is he doing in the garage? What is he doing in the garage? He's putting the car. He's putting the car.
Gotta catch 'em all.